Hi friends, today we will be learning integers. Integers, what are integers, how we compare them. So in today's class we need to know that what is a set of integers, how we use them in real life, how we compare them. So let's start our class without any delay. Let's see what we are drawing. Here, it's a number line. It's a line. We have a 0 in the center. And what's next? If we see on the right hand side, we have numbers 1 2 3 4 5, which we call as positive integers, positive numbers. And if we see on the left hand side, marked with red color, we see -1 -2 -3. They are called negative integers. Fraction and decimals are not integers. We consider only the whole numbers including negative numbers as integers. If you see this, what do you observe? It's a sea level. Sea level is considered to be 0. So underneath it's a below sea level, above sea we call it above sea level. Sea level is considered to be 0. Above sea level we say, suppose 40 feet above sea level is equivalent to 40 feet and 40 feet below sea level is called minus 40 feet. 15 feet above the ground. How do we say it? Above. Above means it's more. Ground say upper, we call it as plus 15 or we call it 15. 10 floors up. Up means upper jana. That means we are considering it as a positive number, plus 10. 5 steps backward, piche jana, which means it will be a negative number, minus 5. We can't write it as a 5 without a sign. Decrease of 9 points. Again, it's a loss. Decrease मतलब कम होना. So again, it will be written as -9. तो चलिए बताइए, what is 2 units to the right of 3? If we see a number 3 on this number line, if you all can observe, there is 3. And अगर हम उस 3 के right hand side पे 2 steps जाएं, where we will reach at 5. So we can say that 2 units to the right of 3 is positive 5. Can anyone tell me what is 5 units to the left of 0? Where is 0? 0 is just in the center. And if we move 5 units from the left, we reach at -5, or we can say -5. So 5 units to the left of 0 is known as -5. So a number line on the right hand side, it's a bigger number when you move, or if you move to the left hand side, the number gets smaller and smaller. 0 is greater than all the negative numbers and 0 is less than all the positive number. Actually 0 is neutral. It's neither positive nor negative. So can you compare which one will be bigger? Obviously 0 is greater than all negative numbers. So you can say that 0 is greater. What about 0 and 5? So 0 and 5, if you go on the right hand side, the 5 lies. So that means 5 is greater. Let's see one more example from a number line. So now you know that positive numbers are greater than negative number. Negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers. Let's see a comparison. It's a comparison between a positive 3 and a negative 5. So can we say that 3 is greater than -5? Yeah, 3 is a greater number than -5. Very good. Moving on to next. -4 is or 1. If you see, -4 is on the left hand side, 1 is on the right hand side. One is negative, the other is positive. So obviously positive number is greater. We can say 1 is greater. Comparison between again a positive number 18 and a negative number -25. So without any delay we can say that 18 is greater than -25. So now we observe that all the smaller numbers are on the left, all the bigger numbers are on the right. Now let's compare the two negative numbers. Can you see which one will lie on your right hand side, either -3 or -5? We can say that -3 is greater than -5. In negative number, the smaller value becomes the bigger and bigger value becomes the smaller. If you see -4 and -2, as you see, -4 is on the left hand side of -2. That means -2 is greater. What about -40 and -21? The smaller value -21 will be greater. Let's summarize what we learned today. Positive numbers are whole number used to name point to the right of 0. Negative numbers are whole number used to name point to the left of 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative.